Alright, so what's good, ladies and gents? The Dallas Lukas versus the Detroit Cunninghams, Detroit Cades, whatever you want to call them. Except, I don't see Cade. Is he not playing today? Damn! That's tough. Alley-oop! That man has so many dunks this season, off just straight Luka alley-oops. Is that Jeremy Grant? So, a little fact about Jeremy Grant is he's actually like a solid player. If you remember him when he played for Denver, he was a really good defender and like a solid like third star, kind of like or like the third best player on the team, kind of. And then he got traded, obviously, and he doesn't want to get traded to anywhere else because he wants to stay on Detroit so he can keep like shooting all the shots. Basically, he doesn't even shoot all the shots by any means because he's not that type of star. But he likes being able to drop more than like 15 a game. So it's kind of like, I respect it, but it's like, why not go for a chip though? You're not going to get a chip in Detroit. Like he deadass did, like, it was something with his contract. I think it was with his contract. A lot of people were trying to either trade for him or pick him up in free agency, and he's just like, nah. So I don't know. I don't know why he thinks he's that guy, but he thinks he's that guy. That was a foul? If I would know one thing though, Luka is that guy. Let's go, Luka. Shout out to all the Slovenian fans watching today. Yo, if you're from Slovenia, comment down below. I don't care if I won't be able to understand what you're saying because it's not English, but it's fine. Just comment. Oh, Kelly Olynyk. Oh, it's disgusting. Okay. Luka's getting in his assist bag. Right? Let's go.
Got to be so tough to be that team that goes to the finals. You lose, and then when you get back next year, all you're
what the hell?
We got to go through that long grind just to get.
I agree with you, man. It's a challenge period.
It's a travel. Kelly Olynyk just traveled and they didn't call it. He's not good enough to not get those calls. How's that an A1? Oh, the NBA refs are just so tragic. Hey!
Bullet pass on the inbounds to Olynyk. Dribble handoff with Frank Jackson. Killian Hayes.
Okay.
And so that's big games like Friday night against Philadelphia. Get up for Luka. Down goes Brunson, and the back. You take one guard out with 15 points and put in another guard with 15 points tonight.
Yeah, what are you going to do defensively? Wow.
Jeremy Grant.
Oh, shocked they left him for the double team.
I want to see how many points Jeremy Grant has at the end of this. Ooh, oh, Hamadou. Where's the face mask, Hamadou? I need that face mask. 3 ball, Luka. Why you pass so much? Get yourself a bucket. And one. He just blinded him. Oh my, look at the passes on this man. He is low-key pissed he's not an all-star starter. Is that the dude who fought LeBron?
Cross-court laser. Luka to Brunson, and another layup for Jalen Brunson.
And they're facing a team that's 18 and what, 10?
Come on.
At home. So
step back. Score on the dude that fought LeBron. Oh my God. He gets boards though. Hey, Jeremy Grant actually has a lot of points.
It's not going to happen. He's now 1 for 7 with that miss.
Well, Brunson held his ground that time, Dorian.
Even with Diallo making a pair of free throws. 16, the biggest lead Dallas has had tonight.
3, but oh my gosh. Is that not out? Oh, never mind. What was that? Hold up. I missed that.
And he He will.
Hey!
Dallas doing what you want them to do. What they
Look at Kleba.
opening up a big lead, driving kick. Oh. Smith cut off baseline. Trey Burke knocks it down.
As far as Portland was concerned.
Look at this. Oh! Too fundamental. These European players, man. Too fundamental for us all. Okay. Kawhi type of roll. Alright, fourth quarter. Whoa. Dallas is up by 30?
We'll have another opportunity, and Hayes will take that opportunity again.
I got one more thing I want to do.
Ntilikina is in for Trey Burke.
Good.
And it's a series of passes. Luka gets the hockey assist. Sunday night and throughout the season.
Just shoot it, Luka. Whoa, I just got. Bro, they're up by 33 points. This is embarrassing. Oh my gosh. Give me a dunk. Australian boy. Laid him. He laid him. No way.
It's good to see other guys get an opportunity.
Trey Burke accelerating.
I don't know how he's doing this.
Extended run for the Mavs right now. 33 to 10, or now 12 with Lyles.
Okay.
Ntilikina in the paint. Turnover, Detroit.
That's a nice pass.
Burke gonna lead it for his backcourt.
Whoa. Wait a minute.
That's a nice pass.
Okay. 1, 2. Oh yeah, he traveled. He tried. It almost wasn't a travel, but he picked up his pivot. That's the dude to follow LeBron. Wow.
He's had a tough time getting on the floor.
Hamadou.
You know how productive he is. So.
That's a dunk. Oh wow.
That is an acrobat.
Oh jeez.
Shot by Burke in the paint.
What's that? Moses Brown or whatever his name is?
88 points.
They won by 4,000 points, dude. Jeremy Grant only had 15. Have you even played this season? You're just 19 though. Okay. I'll give him the. Oh, what a press! What a press! No. What was that? Yeah, no one really did anything on the Pistons. That's why they lost by 40,000 points. Hamadou had 18 though. Luka at 33 and 11, bro. He's a god. Slovenians, please comment down below. Oh my gosh. Trey Burke at 18, like, road to 100. Let's go.